Hello, I'm Marsha Chan, and I'm here to tell you how to use connected speech online for accent modification. First, log into our course at Angel and click on the Resources tab. Then go to the Useful Links and click Connected Speech. Log in with your username and password and click OK. Notice that there are 9 different speakers. They're all from the North American company. And there are 3 levels, levels 1, 2, 3. The highlighted one is in yellow, and notice that it says level 2 over here, so that must be. Now, notice that it says, first click a level, and then a person. So how will you know which one to listen to? I will assign certain speakers and topics for homework. Just check Angel, Lessons, Assignments. Here's an example of level 2 Alan. First, you'll play the video without the text. Then, you'll play the video with the text. Click the text button. The words in blue are hot words. When you click on one, it shows a definition, explanation, or illustration. Choose the module to work on from the activity list. Language, pause groups, stress, pitch change, linking, sounds, and syllables. There are 2 modes that you need to learn about. One is called the Learn mode, and the other is the Test mode. The Learn mode allows you to practice unlimited times. A correct answer is green. A mistake is red. Click a red answer to erase it, and try again. You have 3 attempts to get the correct answer. On the 3rd wrong answer, the correct answer will be revealed, or the spoken letter to type will be spoken. You do not get a score in Learn mode, but the time you spend on the exercise is recorded. On the other hand, Test mode gives you just 1 attempt per item. 10 items are randomly selected from the Learn practice material. So after you practice in Learn mode, do the exercise in Test mode. A score from the Test mode is visible in my screen, and you'll also see it in your progress report. You may take a test unlimited times, and I'll count the average test score on an exercise. Let's look at some modules. The language module starts out with comprehension questions. Drag the best answer to the question into the box or balloon, or choose the correct answer. Close. You read the text, and you drag each word into the correct gap in the text. Listening close. You click on a gap to listen, then drag a word to fill the gap in the text. Spelling. You listen to a word, and you type the word you hear. Dictation. Listen and type the words you hear. Words, phrases, sentences, paragraphs, whole stories. In the Pause Groups module, mark and record. Play the video in segments, then click between each phrase group. Check marks will fill the required number of boxes. You'll know how many pause marks to find. Then record your voice. Play back your voice and compare it to the model. In the Count and Identify exercise, listen and count the number of pause groups you hear, then mark them. In the Number Groups exercise, you'll hear some long numbers, and you'll listen and type the numbers in pause groups. There's always going to be a tutorial, so you can scroll up and down through the information on any page to find out more about a topic. In the Stress module, you'll start with mark and record. Play the video in segments, then click the stressed word in each pause group. Then record your voice, play it back and listen to your voice and the model. For structure words, you'll click on the second speaker's word. In other words, you'll read the first speaker's sentence, the second speaker's sentence, and decide which word the second speaker would stress. In the correction exercise, you'll listen to the sound file and you click on the word the second speaker would stress when they respond. For pitch change, you'll start with mark and record. Play the video, Then click the word in each pause group where you hear a pitch change, where the pitch changes as rising or falling. Then record yourself and compare your voice with the model. In dialogues, you need to click on the arrows to show the pitch change at the end of a pause group. Do you hear rising or falling pitch? In the incomplete lists exercise, you'll listen for pitch change and click to show if the list is complete or not. In the linking module, in any module, for example, you'll be able to see a support icon for more information about any given topic. Linking also starts with mark and record. So you'll play the video, then click between the words that are linked. Then you'll record yourself and play it back to compare with the model. In the exercise called predicting, you'll click between all the words you think the speaker will link, and then you'll find out if you were correct or not. Now notice that when you click on the I for support, a yellow box will come up to give you more information about that topic. In the fast speech exercise, listen to the fast speech and type the missing words. In the sounds module, start with markup. Play the video, then click the words with the indicated sound in them. So the indicated sound in this screenshot is eh. Notice that some words are green. Those are correct. If you see a red one, you know it's incorrect, and you can click on it to try again when you are in the Learn mode. For minimal pairs, you'll hear a word and click on the pronunciation symbols for the word you hear. In the different sounds exercise, you need to distinguish which of the three sounds is different and drag it into the box. In the syllables module, you'll start with markup, play the video, then click on the marked words, then click on the number of syllables. In number of syllables exercise, you'll listen to a word and click on the number of syllables in that word that you heard. In regular verbs, you'll click to listen, and then you'll click to tell the number of syllables in each form of the verb. From the student progress report, you can see all your test scores. So on your Connected Speech home screen, on the lower left, click the star icon at any time to see your progress. In fact, let me recommend that each time you finish a test, click on the star to make sure that your test score goes into your progress report. Now, there's one exception. Treat dictations differently. A dictation is not scored in the test mode. So I'm giving you an easy way out. Just complete the dictation in the Learn mode. And when you're successful, all the letters and punctuation marks turn from blue to green. Take a screenshot. With Windows, press your Print Screen key. From Mac, hold down 3 keys, Shift, Command, and 4, and drag to copy a picture of the selected area. Next, name your file with this convention, CS plus level plus speaker's name plus your name. For example, if John Smith practices with Connected Speech Level 1 Becky, then his file name will be CS1 Becky John Smith. And when you submit it, you'll get full points. Now remember that I can see all student activities and test results with one exception. Dictations are not scored, so please send a screenshot to get full credit for your dictations. I hope you'll enjoy listening, speaking, and learning with Connected Speech.